heading into Disney Springs. We have reservations at the boathouse. All right, we parked at the Lime Garage. We got my sister, my mom, Caleb, and we are heading down into Disney Springs. We're going to see what the Springs has to offer. Pandora might not be open yet in Animal Kingdom, but it's open here. Man, the sun is bright. Oh my gosh.
Is that the place you want to go to?
It's sprinkles.
Oh, this is the yeah. I'm gonna go there after.
Here's the ATM.
We definitely have to do that before we leave. So.
I got an email today that I get a free cupcake.
Yeah,
I don't know how that works. But
You have your ID?
I don't know.
I think we're getting by.
Morimoto. There's the Springs. We're getting a look at the Springs.
It smells like fish.
You think it smells like fish sticks? Cooks of Dublin.
Cooks of Dublin, that's appropriate for St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, what?
I seriously do not remember. No.
We're in
I said you weren't here that long ago.
Well, this is all new. We got Irish music here. There's a hangar bar. Located at the boathouse. I'm pretty sure this is it.
Wait, great waterfront. Yeah, there it is. This is the boathouse.
Okay.
The boathouse.
I mean, we have 20 minutes to pay.
Look at that view of the lake.
You think we can get in early?
Oh, we can try.
Boathouse.
Look, that's not a boutique, it's a boutique. Here's where the amplifiers come up. Very nice. Our table. Alright, we're waiting for our food. We've all ordered. Mom's getting, what are you getting?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Caleb's getting grilled chicken. Laura, what are you getting?
Burger.
Burger. And I'm getting the filet mignon sliders.
I'm the only one getting the fish. Caleb, you want to put this on mine?
It wouldn't be the Ides of March without a Caesar salad.
That's right.
Good suggestion by me.
Okay, there's Laura's. What is it, a cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Here's my sliders, filet mignon sliders. Coconut shrimp.
Okay.
Kayla, let's see your chicken sandwich. And he got it in an amplifier.
Ooh, look at this. Okay.
For you, Caleb.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, what was your overall impression?
Very good. Very good.
5 stars.
5 stars. Caleb. Caleb said 5 stars. I say 5 stars as well. It was amazing.
I say 10